What if I told you you'd never have to write another AI prompt again, and it would still do exactly what you want? Sounds fake, right? Well, it's not. Let me prove it to you right now. But first, watch till the end, because I'm gonna give you a bonus tip on a next level upgrade in prompting that changes everything. Let's say I want to start an e-commerce brand or grow an Instagram page focused on girls and women's clothing. Normally, I'd need photo shoots, models, lighting, editing, and hours of AI prompting. But watch this. I take one product image, just one. I upload it into my system, and then I type one and hit submit. Nothing else. No description, no instructions, no guidance. Now watch carefully, and boom, it's already generating. No confusion, no retries. Now let's test the system again. I type 2 and hit submit. Same input style, same simplicity. But now the output changes completely. It generates an adult woman wearing the exact same product. Notice what didn't change. The design, the stitching, the identity of the dress, only the model changed. That's controlled variation. That's not guessing, that's engineered behavior. Now let's push it further. I type 3 and hit submit. And this is where it gets interesting. The system now generates an adult woman, same outfit, but with a completely different color. Not random, not broken, perfectly recolored while preserving every detail. Fabric realism, still there. Lighting consistency, still there. Product identity, untouched. So what's actually happening here? How does the AI know what 1, 2, and 3 even mean? Here's the truth. This isn't prompting. This is mapping. Behind the scenes, I've already defined the logic. I've trained the system. 1 for child model, 2 for adult model, 3 for adult model plus color transformation. No need to repeat it, because the system remembers. This is what most people don't understand. They treat AI like a tool, instead of designing it like a system. And that's the difference. When you prompt every time, you're working for the AI. But when you build logic like this, the AI works for you. Every single time. No inconsistency, no wasted effort, no starting from scratch. You've basically created a mini production pipeline. One input, multiple outputs, instantly. And the best part? You can scale this. Add 4 for background change, add 5 for pose variation, add 6 for seasonal styling. You're no longer generating images, you're building a machine. So yeah, this isn't magic, it's system design, and almost nobody is using it yet. Train it once and it becomes your personal creative assistant, running in the background 24/7 without asking you what to do next. Check this out. This might be one of the most powerful things I've ever built. I created something called a music gem, and honestly, it changes the entire game. Let me show you how it works. I type Brazilian funk plus I. I stands for instrumental. That's it. No complex setup, no extra prompts, and instantly, it generates a completely original Brazilian funk instrumental track. I'm talking deep bass, aggressive rhythm, clean structure, the kind of sound that feels like it already belongs on a viral edit. No samples copied, no loops stolen, no shortcuts. This is pure original production. Now watch this. I take it one step further. I type Brazilian funk plus L. L stands for lyrics. And within seconds, it creates a full-length Brazilian funk song with original lyrics, structured verses, a hook that actually sticks, and a vibe that hits exactly like what's trending right now. This isn't basic AI output. This feels like something a real artist would drop, something you could upload today and people would actually replay. But here's where it gets crazy. This system isn't static, it's dynamic. It constantly adapts to what's happening in the music world. So instead of generating random tracks, it aligns with current viral trends, popular sound design, and evolving listener taste. Which means the music it creates today sounds relevant. The music it creates tomorrow sounds updated. And the music it creates next year, still ahead of the curve. I don't have to rebuild anything. I don't have to tweak prompts every week. I don't have to chase trends manually. The system does it for me, automatically. Every single time I use it, I'm not guessing what might work. I'm generating music that already fits what people are listening to right now. And in a world where attention is everything, that's the difference between content that gets ignored and content that actually goes viral. So yeah, this isn't just a tool. It's a complete music creation engine built for speed, originality, and relevance. And once you start using it, there's no going back. At this point, creating content feels like cheating. Let's try something real. I type best career after high school. Now look, it's not just answering, it's giving a full roadmap. what to study, how many years it takes, expected salary, future opportunities. This is like Google, a mentor, and a coach, all in one. And honestly, if you're still writing long prompts every time, you're doing AI the hard way. Now this is where things get unfair. I'm about to show you how to build a system that literally thinks for you. No complex prompts, no repeating instructions every time, just one input, and it does everything. Let me show you. So this system, I built it using Google Gemini Gems. First, open Google Gemini. On the left side, click on Gems. Now, if you're wondering what even is a Gemini Gem, think of it like this. It's your custom AI assistant that already knows what to do before you even type anything. Instead of writing prompts again and again, you train it once and it works forever. Now scroll down, go to My Gems, click on New Gem, and this is where the magic starts. You'll see a simple setup screen, name, description, instructions. This is where you define what your AI becomes. Now, let's start with the Name tab. Give your gem a clear and purpose-driven name. For this example, I'll name it Trending Online AI Business, because my goal is simple. I want to know what AI businesses are trending in different countries. Next, Description tab. This is where you explain what your gem does. Keep it short, but specific. I'll type, get the latest trending online AI business details by country. Now your gem understands its purpose. Now comes the most important part, instructions. This is the brain of your entire system. This is where you define what it does, how it responds, and how detailed it should be. I'll type, provide complete details of currently trending online AI businesses when I enter a country name as input. Now here's a powerful shortcut. If you don't know how to write strong instructions, just ask ChatGPT. It can generate professional, structured instructions in seconds. Then you simply copy and paste. And here's the real upgrade. If you want your Gemini gem to respond like a top-level expert, add this line in your instructions. Always think and write like a top 1% expert in this field. Now what happens? Your gem doesn't just give basic answers. It delivers deep insights, structured outputs, high-quality, expert-level responses. Now, this part right here is where most people don't realize the real power. This is the Default Tool tab. Think of it like this. You're deciding what kind of brain your AI will use by default. Instead of switching tools every time, you lock in a behavior. Let me break it down quickly. If you select No Default Tool, your gem stays flexible. It decides on its own how to respond. Good for general use, but not optimized for anything specific. Now, if you choose Create Image, your AI becomes visual first. Every time you prompt it, it thinks in terms of images. Perfect for thumbnails, designs, or anything creative. Next, Canvas. This one is about structure. Your outputs become cleaner, more organized, like documents, layouts, or frameworks. If you're building systems or guides, this is powerful. Now here's where it gets serious. Deep research. This turns your AI into a researcher. It goes deeper, gives more detailed, more accurate, more data-driven responses. Perfect for content, blogs, or anything that needs authority. Then there's Create Music. This shifts your AI into creative audio mode. It focuses on generating lyrics, song ideas, or even full compositions. Great if you're into content creation or building a music brand. And finally, Learn. This one is like a teacher. It explains things step by step, breaks down concepts, and focuses on understanding, not just answers. Perfect for tutorials, education, or mastering new skills. Now I select No Default Tool. Now, this part right here is where your AI becomes dangerously powerful. This is the Knowledge tab, and most people completely ignore it. Here's what it does. You can upload files for your gem to reference. Think about that for a second. You're not just giving instructions anymore. You're giving it data. You can upload PDFs, documents, research files, business plans, scripts, anything. Now instead of generic answers, your gem responds based on your information, your strategy, your system, your knowledge. Let's say you upload a business guide, market research, or your own content ideas. Now your AI doesn't just guess, it responds with context. This is how you turn AI into a trained assistant, a business advisor, or even your personal content machine. And here's the real advantage. While others are using public AI, you're building a private intelligence system. So don't skip this step, because once you combine instructions plus knowledge, that's when your gem becomes next level powerful. But for this example, we don't need it. So I'm going to skip this step. Once everything is set, hit save. And now, watch this. I type Canada, and instantly, it doesn't just give random ideas. It delivers a full strategic breakdown. You get country overview, what's happening in Canada's AI market, top trending online AI business models, what's actually making money right now, fast-growing AI sectors, where the future is heading. Then it goes deeper. Unique local opportunities that most people completely miss. Competition analysis, so you know exactly where you stand. And here's the best part. It gives you a step-by-step business idea you can actually start, plus a future outlook for the next 2 to 5 years. This is not just AI answering questions. This is AI thinking like a strategist. And this is exactly why building your own system changes everything. In the next few years, people using systems like this are going to move 10 times faster, while everyone else is still typing prompts. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe, because here, we don't work harder, we work smarter.